Hello my friends, today we're going to learn about maths, area and perimeter. So, let's write the title on the top of the page. Maths, area and perimeter. So now, Mr. Cuddly Bear is with me. He's Mr. Balloon actually. So he's going to be our special student. Let's see if he learns anything by the end of the lesson. So let's get started. Area is where you find what is inside something. For example, the area of a square is length times width. So let's write that down now. Square equals length times width. Now, you can write L times W, but in this video, I'm going to write it in full form so you understand. A rectangle's area is the same as the square. It's length times width. So let's write that down as well. Length Good. Now we know square and rectangles. Well, Mr. Cuddly Bear, what's the area of a square? Length times width. Well, you are correct. I'm proud of you. Now, let's find the area. Now let's find the area of a trapezium. The area of a trapezium is A plus B divided by 2 times height. So, let's write that down. Equals A plus B divided by 2 times height. Oh, sorry. Now, let's find it out for a triangle. A triangle's one is HB, height base, divided by 2. So, let's write that down as well. It's important to write these formulas every single day. Otherwise, you might forget them. Yeah, you have to remember it so that every day, every night, or like whenever you have free time, write this down, because in some maths test or anywhere, if someone asks you, wait, what's the area of a triangle? Or a maths test, it asks, what is the area of a right angle triangle? You got to know it. So if someone says it to you, what's a trapezium? A plus B divided by 2 times h or height. So that's how you do it. Now, let's do a circle. A circle equals pi r square. That is the area. These are the areas. And the perimeters of these, let's write that down on the other side. Let's put a little gap here. Yeah. Now let's write the square's the square's perimeter. Square equals 2L plus 2B, which is 2 length plus 2 base. Which for square, it's actually just 4b because 4 base, which means like length, because all of them are the same side, so it's all equal. But for a rectangle, you got to write it the proper way, like a 2l plus 2b equals the same thing. 2l plus 2b. Now, a trapezium actually does not have a perimeter. You can like just add up the sides, but there's no proper formula for that. Now, for a triangle equals S1, which is side 1, plus S2, which is side 2, plus S3, which is side 3. Now, for a circle's one is equal to 2 pi r. Now, you might be wondering, what is pi? Pi is actually a mathematical number. It's 3.14, which it can go to infinity, but in short way, it's 3.14. And on the top it says 2, which means to the power of. So, thank you. I hope you've learned stuff from this. And also, let's make sure this guy does.